toast to my favorite weekend breakfast idea. Coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manojlovic. I have a cottage filled with sleeping people, but I'm going to be making a really fantastic breakfast, so I thought I'd set up the camera right away. I want to show you how to make orange scented cinnamon toast with a nutty finish. First thing, most important, have your favorite beverage at the ready. For me, it's coffee. You could have a tea, a smoothie, whatever to kind of jumpstart your day. Now, this recipe is so simple to recreate. First thing we're going to do, our rack is in the middle position of the oven. We're going to turn the oven on to 350 degrees to get nice and warm. I have a bowl. I'm adding 1 stick of butter at room temperature, 2 sugars, a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, dark brown sugar. Then I'm adding 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, ground cinnamon, and then of course we're a little sleepy, a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. That goes in the bowl. Now, last thing, and this is going to really give this flavor, orange zest. We're taking some orange zest, put it in the bowl, and then stir until this gets nice and soft. Now you're going to take your favorite bread, 8 slices of bread, lay them out on your work surface and butter just one side, but make sure you go right to the edge of the bread with that butter. Transfer the bread over to an unlined baking sheet. It goes into the oven. We're going to bake our sugared and spiced bread in the oven for 10 minutes. The cottage is going to smell really great. Everything's fantastic. Bring it out of the oven, and then we sprinkle the top with sliced almonds. We're going to put the rack of the oven top position, turn on the broiler feature, and now put your toast back in the oven. Watch closely, it's going to get kind of bubbly and the almonds are going to toast up. Bring it out of the oven. I like finishing this off like with a little dusting of icing sugar. If you have some fresh berries kicking around, stick them on the plate. This is really fantastic. Well, that's how I like to start weekends up here at the cottage. I'm going to list the full recipe at weekendатthecottage.com. Head there, subscribe to our website, look for us on our YouTube channel, subscribe to it as well. Finally, take pictures of this breakfast and post it early in the morning on your favorite social media platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Okay, ready? Orange scented cinnamon toast with a nutty finish. You just gotta try it. I gotta go now and make it for my friends. Have a great weekend. Yay! Perfect.